Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 1969 Camaro SS 396 Convertible. It's by Matchbox and it's part of a set they have launched with all convertible cars. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Camaro out of its box. And the first thing I noticed, it's not chrome, it's orange with black, which looks very different and looks very sporty. Also, since we are on this side, the wheels we have seen on Matchbox before, and they kind of suit it here for a car from 60s, 70s kind of thing. Still on the side, so you can see this feature line going there. You've got detailed door handle. This looks like a vent and turn indicator. Also, if I bring it close, you might be able to read 396 here, or maybe not. It's very small. Coming to the front, familiar Chevy face, but again nothing is detailed. If you see, you can see the headlamp, you can see the fog lamps, you can see the Chevy badge there, and a small bulge in the hood. That's the 396. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only thing that I can see, it says Rally Sport on this side. Not sure if it did on the other side. Oh, it did. Rally Sport. Let's see, bring it further. There it says Rally Sport. Interior is done in black. Looks good. And again, something funny here. If you see at the seat, it's cut in half. I don't know why. Who's gonna sit on that side? It's so narrow. That's something funny. I didn't notice that on Matchbox cars before, but I did notice it on a few Matchbox recently. Let me sit down on the mirrors. Got windscreen wiper. So overall, I think it's a nice casting. I'm not sure if I had any classic convertible Camaros, but this one will make a good addition to the collection. Those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.